I've recently got the Burner Bliss for Christmas. And if you don't know what it is a VAT 19 product where there are 12 chocolates and normal milk chocolate ones and 5 spicy ones. They're all identical.
And one out of like
How many spicy ones out of there?
5.
Out of
12. So there's 7 normal
5 out of
ones.
7. I want to eat one.
There are 2 more milk chocolates than spices. I'm not the biggest fan of spicy, but I have been the toe of Satan, so I'm feeling good with this one.
Spicy.
I'm doing this one. Do it. Pick one. They're all identical.
Wait, I want to smell and see if I can smell spicy.
They just smell like chocolate. It's so annoying.
This one?
I don't want it to melt on my fingers because then I'll touch something and burn that out.
Alright, yeah. 3, 2. Well, oh my god. Oh my god.
Mine's milk chocolate.
I can't tell.
Oh my gosh.
I don't have anything.
Eat mine. I can't tell.
Mine, you can tell. You can tell. Holy crap.
Nothing?
I don't. You weren't supposed to eat the whole thing.
Mine's not. It
It's good.
stinks really bad.
My older brother.
How many bad ones was there?
5. Now he's gonna get all 4, and Dad's gonna get 1.
Nice work.
I sniffed out
It's
the
actually
chocolate.
really good chocolate.
I couldn't tell because I felt something crunchy and I thought it was like a crunchy spice. And I was like,
Here, I'll try another one.
I'll wait until I recover.
Ooh.
Daddy.
There. Well, that's no joke. As soon as it touches your mouth.
It's bad. It's right when it hits you.
I think this one is a spicy one.
It's bad. Banner, get in the camera in case you get it.
Milk chocolate.
How? Why? We're just in this video for chocolate.
Same the rest of that. Let Daddy try. Say no more. Let Daddy try that one. Stop.
Ooh.
Your tongue. Tongue.
I'm fine.
I'm doing this one now.
I'm glad I'm not you guys.
Take another one.
It's like I'll eat another spicy
I
one.
get another one. I swear to God.
Can I eat the rest of this and then the next
No.
one I get, I'll give to Denny?
No. Ah,
No.
get some milk. Up the milk tray. Don't do water.
This one looks pretty innocent.
God.
So scared.
Oh.
Oh my God. I got milk chocolate.
Little did I know that this was a spicy one, then I was engulfing a whole Burner Bliss spicy chocolate, which should not be consumed by people who do not like spicy things, which is me. And also, I am a kid, which it doesn't say kids shouldn't eat this, but still, it's going to be really spicy. I was about to be in a lot of pain.
No, it's not.
If you don't know what just happened there, I was just comprehending 9 million Scoville units of spice, and I couldn't handle it, so I went to the sink, and yeah, my brother recorded some, so yeah, here are those clips, because the camera sat recorded a blank screen for 2 minutes, so that's nice.
That's something else. Not as bad as toast Satan, though.
Yes.
Oh, God. Oh.
I just got one.
Oh,
It's not really spicy. It just like burns your tongue.
I wanna try it.
It's like,
I got a spicy one. It's terrible. You okay?
No. I put that whole freaking thing in my mouth and I can't stop shaking. It sucks. Don't do it.
Yeah, I want to do another one.
Welcome to the aftermath. Oh my god, I'm getting the taste and I'm gonna go brush my teeth because it's in my teeth. I work for my teeth because it hurts so bad.
Excuse me.
1 out of 10, how hot do you rate that?
10.
I'm giving it an 11. That was too hot.
Yeah,
That was way bad.
It was. We did the Toe of Satan.
Not on my YouTube. Well, I have a video of Brandon doing it.
Tell me when you're ready. Right now?
Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1.
How is it?
Last year.
Not bad so far. It's good.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. All right.
That sucks.
Hey, you're the man. You got more than one.
Nice job. Not me.
The nice thing about Toe of Satan is you can stop, so it's not ingested.
Exactly.
So no, I'd say
This-
9, 10. It
This
was
video
hot.
wouldn't be so bad if I wouldn't have thought that one was clean, and then I ate it, and it wasn't clean. So this video would have been a lot more boring. I didn't even get to taste the nice chocolate. I didn't even get to taste it. I got both
Oh, I
spicy.
got all of it. I only got
The chocolate actually
I got spicy once. I'm a king.
was really good actually.
Yeah,
I got a
thanks.
nice chocolate at first. It was very pleasant.
And then you got the other one.
The next one, as soon as it went in my yapper, it was hot, and it got much,
You got the
much, much worse.
You got the Insta one. I got the delayed one. There are different ones. It was delayed, and I already had a spicy one, so the spice was in my mouth.
Literally.
So I couldn't
had
tell.
it. I didn't drink any milk. I put water
Yeah,
in my
Vader
mouth.
got two
and then the
regular
drinks-
in a row.
And then just filled
Didn't
it
you
with
get two
peanut
regular
butter,
in
and
a
then I was
row?
fine.
Did you get 2 regular in a row?
I got 2 milk. I'm a king.
That's gonna be it for today's video. It was horrible and rough. So what was that?
What was that?
This, my hand is wet.
I felt it. So if you want to see us do the little nitro next,
I don't want to.
or we can
I
do the
don't.
world's
I'll be no part of that.
I will make you embrace. So like this video and comment if you want to see my dad and Brandon do the world's hottest chocolate bar or Little Nitro.
Nope.
Like it.
Not a chance.
You want to see him do it this
I mean, give the thumbs up, but I'm not gonna eat.
If this video gets 2 million likes,
Whoa. If this video gets to 20 likes, you're doing it. And Brandon.
That's a negative.
negative yes. Bro, let's go. Wait.
All right, see you all in the next video.
That's so
What do you got?
tight. Wait, no.
No. Wait, stop.